So the OnePlus 15 5G is right around the corner, and leaks are already pouring in, giving us an early look at what could be one of the biggest upgrades in OnePlus history. Set to launch first in China and then globally, the next flagship promises serious improvements across design, performance, display, and battery. So if you're thinking about upgrading from the OnePlus 13 5G, here are the top 5 upgrades you can expect from the upcoming OnePlus 15 5G. Let's start with the design and build. The OnePlus 15 5G is reportedly going all out with a premium aerospace-grade nano-ceramic metal frame, which not only looks sleek, but is also significantly tougher than the aluminum frame used in the OnePlus 13 5G. On top of that, the new phone could boast an IP69 rating, offering the highest level of protection against dust and water, an upgrade from the IP68-IP69 combo seen on the OnePlus 13. The camera module design is also getting a major redesign. Gone is the familiar circular setup. OnePlus seems to be going for a more modern and distinctive module that will set it apart visually from past models. Moving on to the display, OnePlus is refining things here too. The OnePlus 13 featured a 6.82-inch Pro XTPO AMOLED display, with a 120Hz refresh rate already quite impressive. However, the OnePlus 15 will reportedly go slightly smaller at 6.78 inches, but with a massive boost in refresh rate up to 165Hz. That means even smoother animations, ultra-fluid gaming, and a more responsive overall experience. Both devices are expected to retain the ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor, so security remains fast and reliable. Under the hood, there's another big jump. The OnePlus 15 5G will be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, offering next-level power efficiency and raw performance compared to the Snapdragon 8 Elite inside the OnePlus 13. This means faster multitasking, smoother gameplay, and better AI optimization across the system. As for the cameras, both phones are rumored to share a 50-megapixel triple camera setup with main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. However, the OnePlus 15 may bring significant changes under the surface, with upgraded sensors reportedly featuring a Samsung JN5 sensor for the ultra-wide lens and a Samsung ZN5 sensor for telephoto. That could mean sharper details, richer colors, and improved low-light photography compared to the OnePlus 13 setup. Finally, the battery department is getting a major upgrade. The OnePlus 13 already impressed with its 6000 mAh battery and 100-watt SuperVOOC charging, but the OnePlus 15 is expected to pack a massive 7000 mAh battery with 120-watt wired charging. That's not just an incremental improvement, it's a game-changer for heavy users and gamers. In short, the OnePlus 15 5G looks set to be a powerhouse, tougher, faster, and more refined in nearly every aspect. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.